ways, I ain't even being tender. Always buy my cash, I could never miss a digit. I wonder if that ass real, I just wanna get up in it. You can have them racks, babe, just gotta mind your business. I barely see the time, cause the watch too expensive. Go hard like a Kobe, 24 on the clock. Grind hard till the morning, promise that we won't drop. Now I can take no losses, pray that we make it out. We ain't scared to take a shot, guarantee we won't stop. 6'3" when I'm cruising, on the island on the yacht. Bad bitch call the phone, she just wanna smoke inside. Overtime working hard, getting money don't stop. We all came from the bottom, we all tryna make it out. You go brick by brick, till you build a house. Never switching my team, I'm down for the route. 5 rings like Kobe, I'ma hit it in and out. In Europe like I'm Luka, gotta fly the bitches out. Go hard like I'm Kobe, 24 on the clock. Grind hard till the morning, promise that we won't drop. Now I can take no losses, pray that we make it out. We ain't scared to take a shot, guarantee we won't stop. Guarantee we won't stop. Guarantee we won't stop. 24 like a Kobe, 24 on the clock.
Send it to me, ain't no problem, y'all know. I ain't ducking, I ain't dodging, I ain't missing, I ain't had a thing given. Take it all, I ain't leaving, standing with it, standing on it, all toes, y'all want it, all smoke, y'all want it, all smoke, y'all want it, all smoke, y'all want it, all, y'all want it, all. Y'all want it all. Never smoke what your lungs say. Drop bombs from Baghdad to Bombay. They flat earth and some believe, but some can't. Forever push it, that's the dream. Hook a trailer to me, pull it off and make a movie. That's the best you heard but never seen. Kill them all, forever dream. It got a ring to it, but the kiss of death don't get a ring until I sing to it. Peace of mind to get your piece of yours, but I want everything. And we can go to war to see that mind make do and never lean. I take a plate to feed for us. Ain't too much that we can trust. Close my eyes, I see the less. Keep them close to see what's up. Won't be long till it unfolds. It's gonna reveal, that's how it goes. And once it shows, I want it. Yeah, I want it. Swear I want it. All smoke, break it to me, send it to me. Ain't no problem, y'all know. I ain't ducking, I ain't dodging, I ain't missing. I ain't had a thing given. Take it all, I ain't leaving. Standing with it, standing on it. All toes, y'all want it. All smoke, y'all want it. All smoke, y'all want it. All smoke, y'all want it. All, y'all want it. All, y'all want it. All smoke. I'm at it daily, the push is crazy. The value I get from working is working. No one can save me, ain't no awards for the maybes. No rewards for this either sometimes, but when I record, it's sharp as swords, so I'm still on the climb. The ice is yours, the peak is mine, put feet to them boys. One time I thought I would eat with them boys, but they recent been born. I get my last dollar and cent to be seeing them soaring. Could be as fly as the sky and still not seeing the stars, but I know you see me. The way the king cares, who said it's easy? I think they'd rather be ring bearers. Light as the flowers stuck by their feet, they couldn't even care. Keep quiet, let pastor speak, death and you be married. Give me all smoke.
Out the gym, got 100 on your head. I was born to trap, but I was always by my bread. Promise out the bands, I ain't even got the tags. Too much motion on me, all I wanna do is spin. Too much motion on me, all I wanna do is spin. Too much motion on me, all I wanna do is spin. Too much motion on me, all I wanna do is spin. Too much motion on me, all I wanna do is spin. I'm in a Rolls Royce, all black, this shit a phantom. I was on the pill, I done missed my fight to Paris. These blood diamonds got 100K on my air. And my bitches, they wanted, they get it, cause money the answer. I be smoking that gas all day, my mind be blank. Got a new AP for watch, my shit go blank. It's all money and marathon all day. I got them checks coming in, ain't one for get paid. Too much motion on me, all I wanna do is spend. Too much motion on me, all I wanna do is spend. Too much motion on me, all I wanna do is spend. Too much motion on me, all I wanna do is spend. Hellcat, track hard, bust paper spade. Rockin' chrome hard when I'm stepping out, going stage to stage. I stay down, y'all still broke, I can feel the hate. Two-step like James Harden, make it fade away. Been living good, eating caviar, watching tennis. I'm a big dog, I'm back and forth for no peasant. She shaking ass, she drinking down in my section. I'ma spend all my money, I'm a big stepper. Shooting out the gym, got 100 on your head. I was born to trap, I was always by my bread. Robbers out the bands, I ain't even got the tags. Too much motion on me, all I wanna do is spend. Too much motion on me, all I wanna do is spend. Too much motion on me, all I wanna do is spend.
Who the baddest in the room? Gotta point him out. Runs in the sun, got him going south. Can't let me down, bitch, I'm kidding now. You on his dick and I'm in his mouth. Yeah, bitch, it's a sweet. He a rat, he be giving me cheese. Cleaning house, got him down on his knees. Thinking you bigger than me, a disease. I'm a bad bitch, she a bad bitch too. Got cabbage.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Let me just test the audio first. Excuse me, and the camera. Let me see. Okay, we're good. Sorry, all the way up in the camera. Okay, so welcome everybody to the stream. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Gillian and I'm on this journey right now. Hi, Raina. I hope you're well too. This is something I think you would like because I think you took coding. I remember you took coding in school before. But for those of you who don't know me, my name's Gillian and I'm on this journey to learn vibe coding. I'm an amateur vibe coder. And so it's important that you know if you are watching, you're not watching a vibe coder, you're watching a traveler and an expat who is learning how to vibe code because I'm constantly trying to learn new skills to continue to make internet money and continue to be location independent, right? So I am currently learning how to vibe code, and for the past 4 days, we have been building a Thailand cost calculator. Okay, so we're on day 4. We've done a lot of work. I did create a Discord. It's in the video details. It's in the description. It's hard for me to paste it, but I think I set up automated messages yesterday to have it post in the chat. We'll see how that works. I don't know. I've never done that before. And what else? I'm so annoyed because yesterday I thought I was playing royalty-free music the whole stream, but I got copyrighted like 20 times. So I'm in the process of removing the copyrights, and so now I'm using Epidemic, and I did hook up the, hi Azor, how are you today? I did hook up my YouTube channel, so I shouldn't get copyrighted, but this is all a learning process for me, so we'll see if I get copyrighted tomorrow. But like 20 copyrights, oh my God. And you have to do them one at a time, but it's all good. You live and you learn, right? I know, and the whole time, I should have just been listening to my music then. Like, I should have just been listening to my own music. If that was the case, I totally thought that it was royalty free, but I fucked up. But alive as always. It's been good. I did want to stream a little bit earlier, but basically yesterday my air conditioner in my bedroom started leaking. So I had to have the air condition guys come today, fix it. And they were in here like drilling, so I couldn't stream during that time. So I had to wait for them to leave, clean up their mess. And now we're here. And it's cloudy, which I'm actually glad that it is, because then I can just vibe code. Because I'm like a sun worshiper. So if the sun is out, I just always like the sun in the pool is pulling me there. But we're good. We are good. Let me see. I kind of want to make the camera a little bit. Don't mind me. I want to push it back a little bit. I don't mean to be all up in your grill. So sorry about that. Okay, so why don't we start by just taking a look at what we've built so far. And I have it already. I just put it in the dark mode because the dark mode, I'm not gonna lie, Azor, the dark mode is pretty sexy. I'm really liking it. Oh, Raina, no. We're vibe coding. Well, I'm vibe coding, not really coding. So I don't know any of that technical stuff. I'm just vibe coding. So this is what we got. Right? Dark mode, light mode. I really, really love this. And you can choose. I'm going to choose the I'm living in Thailand because there's something I want to see. There is something I want to edit before I go into the design aspect. I'm really thinking about how I can animate this more, like a little more like scroll animations maybe, and like something going on in the background because I hate this dead space. And I'm like considering, should I make it wider or should I keep it like that and just have things going on in the background? I don't know. So if we go to Phuket and let's say we go to budget and we say 3 months, it gives you your estimated monthly cost, estimated total cost, your monthly cost breakdown, what the budget looks like. Guys, Raina is one of my old students from Brooklyn, just so you know. I taught her when she was a 9th grader. My screenshot utility wasn't working, so I'm fixing it while watching the stream. Hope you won't mind if I... No problem, Azor, no problem. Oh, so my Discord just dropped, right? Okay, so it works. I set it up in Streamlabs to comment. I wonder if I could set it up through YouTube to do that. So it says my name rather than Streamlabs. But regardless, there's the Discord. You guys asked me to create a Discord. So I did. And I don't know if you're going to think that it's corny, but I kind of organized it so that it matches to my niche. So it's called Builds and Boarding Passes. That's what the server is called. And like there are a bunch of different like play on words in there in terms of like flights and traveling. I don't know. I thought it was different. So I just went with the idea. I like things to always be like creative and a little bit different and kind of pop and stand out a little bit. Those types of elements are super important to me. And I'm in your server. The website is there. Okay, perfect. Oh, perfect. You put the website in. Okay, good. So I'm going to take a look at that. I'm going to look at that later. Yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, so for basic accommodation, it says budget living in Phuket usually means simple monthly and they give you an example. Homa is not budget, but, well, maybe the one in Phuket town is. Let me see, mid-range, because I'm pretty sure for Phuket, they gave recommendations for accommodations for renting, but I'm pretty sure in all the other cities, they didn't give a recommendation. an example, I mean. They suggest Phuket Town for everything. Okay, Homa. I would like the accommodation examples. All right, bye, Raina. Hi, Ronan King. Yesterday at the end of the stream, I noticed that Nightbot warned you, and I totally thought that I turned Nightbot off, but I only turned it off on YouTube, so I actually logged into Nightbot. I don't even know when I set that up. It must have been for a previous stream like months ago on something else. So it's officially turned off. And Ronan King, I did make a Discord. If you scroll up in the chat, Streamlabs posted it. So I know you guys requested that yesterday, so I did create it. You might think the way it's organized is a little bit corny because I use a lot of like play on words, but I kind of wanted it to be different than everybody else's server and kind of align to my niche and everything that I'm building. So I thought it was cute. Everybody else might think it's corny, but I don't know. I spent a lot of time on that too. I really did. And I hope that, I think the messages are supposed to go off every 10 minutes. I hope it doesn't look too spammy. I'm not trying to spam you guys. I just set this up. I thought 10 minutes was appropriate. We'll see if it ends up being too much. I'll make it like 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay, so the first thing I know I want to do is that for the I'm living in Thailand section, the accommodation recommendations, they only have them, I mean examples, they're called examples. They only put them in Phuket, and Phuket needs to be a little more diversified. And then if we go to Bangkok, I think all the other cities, they don't give an example of, oh, they do, but only for luxury. People living in Bangkok usually compare monthly condo or apartment rentals rather than calculating housing from nightly hotel prices. Okay, that's what most of the accommodation sections say for all the other cities other than Phuket. So I definitely do want some examples there, and I need Phuket to be diversified. So this is like the hard part for me, getting the freaking words out of my mouth to openai. But I think I just need to talk to it. Somebody yesterday suggested the notepad, but I'm thinking that talking to ChatGPT, I really should just be talking to it like I'm talking to a person, like having a conversation with it. So I'm going to try to gather my thoughts. For the I'm fingers exist. What do you mean to type? I know it's so much easier. It's so much easier to talk though. Let me see. When a user chooses I'm living in Thailand. When a user chooses I'm living in Thailand, there are only examples provided for accommodation when the user chooses Phuket. So I do want examples to be given for accommodations for users to rent for all the other cities in the app. And also, when it comes to Phuket, I would like those examples diversified a little bit in terms of lifestyle tier. I noticed that for budget, mid-range, and comfortable, the same example is given to the user. So I would like a little more variety in that.
I'm the best he ever had. Bad bitch fly me out first class. No break, so I'm doing a dash. You mad? 'Cause he on my body so bad.
I really hope that I don't get copyrighted today like crazy, but I'm using Epidemic today. The living mode accommodation category should not feel generic. Oh, I'm still typing already. No problem. And you know what it is, Azor, and I know you're working, so you don't even have to, you can tune me out. You don't even have to respond. I'm just chatting. I hate typing, like even especially texting. I'm so bad at getting back to people's text messages, and it's not because I don't want to, like I just truly, truly hate texting. Like I'm the type of person, like give me a call, don't text me. Alrighty. And then I actually really can't wait to get to the design element of this because it makes me happy when things visually look pretty. But I definitely want some, I don't know how to word it, but like I want more like scroll animations, and then I need something like floating in the background. And I did that before with my personal website. I think they called it like floating orbs or something. They put that in the background. And then after that, I really don't know. Use no copyright sounds. I'll look into it. I've been talking to ChatGPT about like what's the best platform to use for it, and they said like the YouTube audio library, but the music was whack. Like the music was so lame. It blows your mind that I hate texting. What does that have to do with having a math degree? Or that design is important to me. I don't know. I know the chat and the stream is delayed, so I'm not sure what you were referring to. Oh, more like typing. What would math people really like to type? I don't know. But I get it. I guess like I will say this: math people usually aren't big talkers. We're really not usually big talkers at all. In a public setting, like if I'm in a staff meeting, I'm usually like super, super quiet, and I won't really. The first ever typewriters were built by mathematicians. It was exclusive to them, so they. Oh shit, that's cool. But math people, we're not really talkers. I'm a talker when I'm comfortable. But if you put me in like a public setting with strangers, I'll probably stay quiet until I feel you out and I feel comfortable. I remember in staff meetings when I was a public school teacher, you know, they always want to talk about bullshit, about fluff, about God knows what they want to talk about in these stupid, pointless meetings. But they would always ask questions, and I would always stay kind of silent. Because as a math person, I don't have an answer to your question right away. I need think time. It's called think time. Time to think, time to process. What are you asking me so I can give you the best suggestion? So me and all the other math teachers, we would usually stay pretty silent because we're probably thinking about the best answer to give you. But English and social studies teachers, let me tell you something, they would just yap their asses off. And it's because I have to say it, and it's no shade to the English and social studies teachers. Some of them are really great people, and I was friends with a lot of them, but they teach fluff subjects. English, you can easily bullshit. Social studies, who knows? History, what's the truth? Like, and depending on what your views are you teaching it in a way that's biased? So English and social studies people, they would just, you ask them a question, they have the answer right away, but it's probably because it's bullshit. I probably shouldn't say that live. I love you English and history teachers. You guys are my friends, but the thing is, math is the truth, so we tend to reflect a little more before responding. No problem, Ronan King. Oh no, that message is way too... That was only 10 minutes. That message, I'm going to change it to maybe 15, 20 minutes. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your support and having my back. I mean, it's the truth. I used to always think like, damn, how do these people always have the answer? And then like the more and more I taught and worked in the field, I realized, I was like, oh, they're just really good at bullshitting. They're so good at bullshitting, and I'm not. I'm over here thinking, trying to provide you with like a legitimate answer. I'm not here to bullshit you. All right, let's see. I hope that this works, because I really do want to work on the design. But I noticed we have, well, YouTube says we have 10 viewers. Streamlabs says we have 12 viewers. But it's probably, the YouTube one's probably corrected. If you're new here, or if you're just here hanging out in the background, feel free to jump into the chat and talk to us, right? Because we're vibe coding, so we have a lot of time. We have a lot of time to chat while AI is working for us. So feel free to say hi. I'm new at doing this. This is only day 4 of me learning how to vibe code. So I've had truly some amazing people come in and teach me a lot already. So, you know, I'm excited to talk to all of you guys, learn from you guys. And honestly, what I've quickly learned in 4 days is that prior to this, I was really only learning from one person that I know that kind of, that's into web design and plays around with all these tools for work. And I realized that there's actually, you know, I thought like, oh wow, like he knows everything. But now learning from you guys, I realized that there's like so much more than what I was taught by this person. Okay. Oh, it even tells me. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look-see. You know, I should probably move my camera to the side a little bit. Oh no, it wasn't Kenneth. I wasn't talking about Kenneth. I wasn't talking about Kenneth, but seriously, RIP Kenneth, he never came back again, and I feel horrible. I really, really feel horrible. That he never came back. All right, let's just go in order. Poor Kenneth, man. Yeah, guys, if anybody, whoever else is out there in the chat, say hi. Let's get to know each other. I'm new to this, so trying to learn from everybody. Basic studios. Maybe there's no example. Because budget, I mean, I actually agree with that for budget accommodations. Like if you're truly budget and you want to live in a place that's like 10,000 baht a month, I don't think there would be an actual establishment like that you could look up on Google. It's going to be like some random Thai house. So let's see if the other ones work, then I agree with that. Okay, so they give an example here, service apartment. Yeah, that actually makes sense. Like, if you're truly trying to live here on budget, you're going to be living in like a Thai style house, and that's not really something you can look up online. So I don't disagree with that. As long as all the other tiers work. Okay, perfect. Let's go to Chiang Mai. There is something else. Facebook Marketplace is a good suggestion to people. That's where I found my house. That's where I found every place that I've lived in. But maybe later. I have a feeling that once I give this to my audience, what I'm going to ask them, because right now it's only Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Phuket, Krabi, and Koh Samui. They're going to ask me for other cities. So the work will probably won't be done like completely. The work will never be done, right? That's what I was thinking with this. The more I add things to it. Okay, yep, that makes sense. That makes sense that they're not putting one for budget. That actually makes me feel relieved that AI is doing the right thing. Like, that's actually the truth here. In luxury. Nice. Okay. Okay. I like it. All right, looks good. All right, and Krabi. Yeah, I definitely agree with not giving an actual establishment for budget because that's not something you can find online. I scared people away by asking them to participate in the chat. Okay, nice. All right, let me put it this way first. Okay, now I want to work on the design element of things. I definitely want more animations happening, like some scroll animations, and there's a lot of dead space to the left and to the right of the actual calculator. So I think that we should have something going on in the background, like maybe something floating in the background. So definitely want to work on some animations. I don't know if we should work on the scroll animations and the background design at the same time, or if we should do them separately. Like, I truly don't know. I don't know if it'll, like, one long prompt will, yeah, that's why I figured do them separately. I don't know if it'll overwhelm. Oh my God, I talk so much with my hands. It's a New York thing. Background design first. Yeah, let's do that first. Add floating background blob shapes, subtle Thailand travel. Yeah, yep. All right, let's do it. Then after that works, use the second prompt. They're saying subtle scroll animations. But I did see a website today where the scroll animations were not subtle. They were so cool, but maybe I should keep it subtle and dainty. Sometimes I can be like a flashy person. So sometimes I like flash, but not everybody likes that. And a lot of times less is more. I'm not gonna lie, the epidemic music, if I really don't get copywritten for it, I do like it better than the other platforms that I've listened to. All right, we're 38 minutes in. I think every hour I'll take a little break, like stand up, walk around. What I need to get is my standing desk, because my standing desk is at my old house and it's been on the to-do list since I moved here. I moved here only like 3 weeks ago. So I have to get that over here because I cannot stand sitting. Oh shoot. And just rebuilt it. You know, Azor, I was thinking about you yesterday. No, you didn't miss anything. I fixed what I needed to fix, and now we're working on the design element. I'm adding some like floating orbs and things to the background right now. Something I didn't say, and I forgot, I just want to make sure that the animations correspond to the light mode and the dark mode. And I didn't mention that, but we'll see what happens. I was thinking about you yesterday, just like, and now I'm excited that I have the Discord and I can see what you have built, because you keep telling me that you've built your own of this, you've built your own of that, you've built your very own of like everything that already exists. And I'm like, damn, like he is ready for the apocalypse. Like he's got everything. Okay, I hope that in light and dark mode. that's okay. I mean, I might get confused just because I'm new to this, but like, it's really important for me to look at other people's projects to get inspiration for different things, because otherwise all of my projects are going to end up looking exactly the same. Hi, if you're just joining, welcome. My name is Gillian, and just so you know, I'm an amateur vibe coder. I'm new. I started streaming 4 days ago. I started building this project 4 days ago. I'm building a Thailand cost calculator. I am an expat living in Thailand, so it's for my audience. A lot of people message me all the time asking me about the cost of living and how much it would cost to travel here, so I'm building this for them. And it's just a project that's going to help me learn. So if you're new, say hi in the chat. Let me know where you're from. But no, Zora, I'm excited to look. It's important for me to see other people's work and get inspiration. Otherwise, all of my apps are going to look the same. And I guess it's because they're for me and my brand and my style. I guess if I was working for like a client or something, whatever I built would look completely different. But I want to experiment with like other styles than my own. But I wonder if it's gonna if it will automatically make the animations. Oh, I see what it did. But it's like a little too subtle. Like, I barely see anything. It says it put like floating orbs. I barely see it though. No, I need more. I need more. I need more pop, more pizzazz, more oomph. Like, I need more than that. We gotta do more than that. Okay. Okay, I'm still working on the background. Replit put some type of floating orbs in the background, but it's very, very subtle, and I need way more. I need it to pop. I need it to be sexier. I need it to be more visually appealing, because it's so subtle that I can barely see it. And something I forgot to mention initially is that since we do have a light and dark mode now, I need to make sure that the background and the animations correspond in each mode, respectively. Like, I don't want it to look tacky. We definitely don't want it to look tacky. I still want it to look classy, elegant, and tasteful, but I need it to give me something like. Okay. And then I'm really thinking, how will I ever know when a project is done? I feel like there's always something I want to add. but I need to figure out when it's like done for now and time to move on to the next. Oh shoot, let me plug in my computer. A project is never done. We keep updating and yeah. No, that's how I feel. Never done, not done, but like, when is it time for me to start building the next idea in my obsidian? Oh, I can't wait to see it. I can't wait to see it. I need to get my setup going better because, like I said, my standing desk is in my old house, and my goal is to get my desk here, my standing desk, and stand. I can't sit. I can't stand sitting. I need to be up and have the blood flowing. Like, I can't. The time is now. We never wait for the next one. Okay. We'll see. When I feel like, maybe after today, if I feel like this is complete enough to just let people start using it, and then obviously continue to update it over time. And even when I'm working on other projects on stream, I'll continue to update this, especially like what's nice is I'm going to get feedback from people who actually want to use it. And I'll continue to update it. But the next project is an itinerary planner, and I'm kind of trying to figure out what do I even want that to be. But we can develop, but that's the whole point. We'll develop this idea on stream. Oh no, that was the wrong thing. Okay. I gotta concentrate. Hold on, I'll read that message in a sec. The time is now. We never think of it like this. Car is just a cart without the T. Essentially, a wireframe inside of which we add the engine and then we add a layer of styles running. We do all of it simultaneously. True. Very, very true. All right. So once I feel like then here's what I'm going to do. Once I feel like the design is good enough for me to basically what I'm going to do is when the design is good enough for me to kind of have people who follow me for Thailand content use, I'll make a short about it, deliver it to my audience, have them use it, and then move on to the next project. And then as they give me feedback, keep working on it. But it's been a good first project. It's come a long way in 4 days. I'm very happy with it. Oh, I don't like that. It's too rainbow. Mm-mm. No. I don't like the rainbow. Mm-mm. And I want it to like move. No. This is not my style. This rainbow shit. No, I hate that. I hate it. No. Okay, I absolutely hate what it just did. It made it way too colorful. It made the orbs kind of like rainbow. I want to stick with our color scheme. I don't want to add in other colors that don't make sense and don't match. That kind of looks tacky. So I need that to be fixed. And also, what I mean by I need more is that I need it to move more. I need more movement. Nothing, too flashy and nothing that's going to give somebody a headache, but I need it to actually move in a tasteful way, but in a way that's more obvious than whatever it's doing now. But most importantly, those colors have got to go. The issue is that Replit interpreted pop. That should sound. Welcome back. So can I put that one right into, is it telling me to put this right into Replit or put it into Claude Code? Are you telling me to put that directly into Replit or into Claude Code? Why doesn't this understand me? I'm pretty sure I speak clear. I'm a teacher. I'm still trying to figure out like when I'm doing too much. Like when I don't always need to go through all 3 platforms, I feel like. Like yesterday with the light and the dark mode. That was just easy, put it right into Replit. No, they gotta change those colors right now. It's absolutely hideous. Ronin King, don't even look at the colors. Like, they just messed this up so bad. I don't want those colors. It's so hideous. That's not what I wanted going on in the background. I wonder how long it's going to take for me to fix those 20 copyrights from yesterday's stream. Holy shit. If I was going to get copyrighted that much, I would have been listening to my own music the whole stream. Azor, what actual time is it in Chicago right now? That's what I want. Strict brand only palette. Yes, please and thank you. And Ronin King, where are you from? Where are you watching from and what time of day is it? It's like 2 a.m. Okay, so that means I'm exactly 12 hours ahead of you. And then in New York, it's like almost 3 a.m. So what time, I know you said you don't sleep, but you... No, oh, I'm asking because I'm thinking of like different times of day to stream. And I'm wondering like what time works well for people who have been watching and participating. Like usually like around this time, but, or Australia 5 p.m. So That's why I was asking. But I know you said you don't sleep, but like, there's got to be a time that you do sleep. 5 p.m. 2, 3, 4. All right, so Australia is 3 hours ahead of me. You're right, Azor. You're right. You're so right. I mean, I can't anyway because, I just have to do it like when I can. So you're correct. Ronan King, have you been to Thailand? Do you come often? So Australians love to come to Thailand because I guess it's like close-ish for them because Australia is so far away from the rest of the world, I feel like. But a lot of Australians here. Yeah, definitely don't want to end up being an insomniac. I definitely don't. Okay, it looks a little better. It looks a little gray. We're gonna have to see. I still don't know if I like it. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay.
Oh.
Mental. Okay, alright. I'm warm, but I can be distant. Immigrant charges giving it gift.
Oh, nice. Okay, this is better. But there's just something about it that I still don't like. I can't put my finger on it. I don't know what it is that I don't like about it. I also don't like that it's not up here as well. What is it that I don't like? It just looks so ugly, but I don't know how to describe it. What does it need? What needs to change? Something needs to change. Like this side is too dark. It looks like a stain. That's what it looks like. It looks like a freaking stain. And then maybe do I need to move everything up here, or does something different have to be going on up here? It looks better in dark mode than it does in light mode, but in light mode the background really looks like a stain. That's the only way I can explain it. And then what is it? Is this called like the header? I'm assuming it's called the header. Okay, I'm really not liking it. The only way I can describe it is that the background looks like a stain. It looks really ugly, and I think it needs to change. Also, I don't like that then there's nothing going on in the background of the header where the title Thailand cost calculator is. So that looks pretty bland if there's something going on in the background of the rest of the page. Also, I did ask for more movement. I'm still not seeing the movement. It's hard for me to explain because I'm new to all this, but it definitely needs to be a lot prettier. And not look like a stain, most importantly. Ask Vercel to change the color of the orbs to light and make the orbs more visible, luminescent. Okay. Change the color of the orbs to, I don't know what the colors are called, like sage and whatever they're using. I took a quick screenshot of a quick concept of your app and just posted it to your... Okay, thank you. I'm gonna check that later. I don't have Discord open right now. But I'll check that. I'll definitely check that all later. Maybe change the color of the orbs to something lighter, but still on brand. It's not even necessarily lighter. Maybe like more, like something neutral toned, something like maybe more browns. I like brown. I forget what is the color called. I have it in here. What is that color called that they use for my brand? It's a brown color. It's like literally the same color as the bathing suit that I'm wearing. Is it terracotta? Terracotta? Yeah, terracotta and sand warm gold. Sand warm gold. Still on brand. Like sand warm gold. Which one is terracotta? Is that like the reddish? What color is terracotta? Terracotta. Ooh, yeah. Like I like this color. And terracotta. I love sage, but the sage is way too dark. It almost looks gray. And you said make the orbs more visible and luminescent. Make the orbs more visible and luminescent. Okay. Yeah, terracotta. I like that color. And the sand warm gold. That's good. I love green. Green is my favorite color. But that green literally looks like a stain. Yep, they look muddy and stain-like. That's exactly what's happening. Tell Claude to move towards. Clean luminescent gradient orbs. Yeah. Yep. 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 That's what I want. Really good thing about streaming is it's making me drink more water. The more I talk, the more I drink. But then the more I have to go to the bathroom. Okay, we're getting somewhere, hopefully. Too narrow. Ronan King, what did you mean by too narrow? Oh, you said you took a screenshot of a quick concept of your app, and then I know you said that, but is it about what you said? You mean like the actual calculator itself is too narrow, right? I was thinking that. I've been thinking that. Been thinking that was too narrow. Yeah, I've been thinking that. Maybe I'll change that. Because I was thinking that. But then I'm wondering if somebody looks at it on their mobile device, is that going to mess things up? Like, is it going to be all jacked up? Because a lot of people will probably find this app through either Instagram or TikTok when I post it, and then they're probably going to want to open it up on their phone. But I don't necessarily want to. That version gets turned into. Right, that's what I've been thinking. But I'm not really interested in making like a mobile app. You know, I wanted to make a web app that would be, that if you happen to look at it on your mobile, that it would work seamlessly. Won't change mobile. Okay. Okay. We can, if I did make it wider, right, it would eliminate all of that like scroll. You know, because I feel like there's a lot of scrolling that we do through it once you choose your path and whatever. So it would eliminate all that scrolling because things would be wider. Okay, hopefully that's just because I don't like those colors either. That's where it looks rainbowy again. Why can't you just get into my brain? The thing is that I don't even know what's going on in my brain. Like, the thing is, I know I want it to look better and prettier, but I don't have the exact idea of what it should look like. I'm just hoping that AI gives me something that I'm satisfied with. I can already tell I don't like it. Okay, wait, it's a little bit better. But I see what you mean. I just still don't love it. In dark mode it's okay. But I still think it looks maybe if I made the trust me when I say taking the iPhone website template and using it as a reference. It's taking the iPhone website. Oh, it is, right? It is. Fuck, like, how do I fix this? Okay, I think maybe I should try making the actual calculator itself wider. What do you even call these things? The components. It's too narrow. And then if I made that wider, would I like the background more? Would I be okay with the background if this was wider and I wouldn't see so much of that? I hate those orbs. They literally look like freaking stains. Ugh. God. Okay. The orbs still look like stains, so I think we need to redesign this. Oh my God. Also, I'm thinking maybe we should make the calculator wider. It's very narrow right now, especially if you're looking at it on the web and you go full screen. It is way too narrow and the background is standing out more than it should because the majority of the page is background rather than calculator. The only thing I want to make sure of is if we make this wider, that if people are opening the website on their mobile device, that it's not all messed up, for a lack of better words. They failed 3 times. It's true. Redesign layout, remove orb background, no scroll animations. The new direction should be wider desktop layout, better use of horizontal space, responsive mobile layout, no orb, same background, use subtle background, texture pattern instead. What do you mean by texture? I don't want too much texture or pattern. I definitely don't want a pattern going on. New background direction. Instead of orbs, soft gradient base, subtle map, grid, topographic pattern, faint travel inspired line pattern. Let's just see what it does because I don't even know. That's the problem. Like, I think the more I build things, the more I'll know exactly what I want in terms of design. I don't know about a pattern, man, though. If they give me some crazy pattern, I'm going to be pissed. All right, running to the toilet. All right, I'm back. Just upload a background prompt to help you with your back. Just uploaded a background. Thank you, Ronan King. I know you said BRB, but thank you so much. I'm scared to open Discord. That I'm trying to have everything closed, but I'm actually I'll try to open it and see if it glitches out. Let's try this first, and then let me open the Discord and see. Background prompt, that's amazing. See, so much help. Getting so much help. Okay, wait, I'm not gonna run this yet, because let me open up Discord and see. Oh, oops. Yeah, I think it is slowing me down, or maybe not. I can't tell yet. Installing update. No. 1 of 8. Quit. Okay, am I moving? Am I moving again? Yeah, I think I am. All right, I'll open it on the web. Yeah, that I knew it. I knew it was gonna slow shit down. I'm gonna open it on the web right now before I run that prompt. Welcome back. Okay. Am I still running now? I think I'm okay. I have it open on the web. Let me see. Prompt helped. Okay, prompt help. Here is a prompt help you with your background. Ronan King, I'm looking at your, oh no. I'm frozen, aren't I? Okay, did I unfreeze? Even opening Discord on the web is. No, I think I'm good now. All right, let me run this prompt and then we'll see. And then I'll run Ronan King, the prompt that you put in the Discord. Am I putting that, would I put that right into Replit? Or, you mean, yeah, it looks like it. You know, Azor, you're so right, because I was looking at like my, like through my storage just to see, and I have a shit ton of storage. Moving background, if that's not something you want. Yeah, I do want a moving background, maybe not too flashy. I'm just wondering if I would just take that whole prompt and put it right. Right, okay. Just copy and paste it right into Replit. Okay, so I'm gonna see what it does now, and if I like it. And then we'll see. If not, then we'll try yours. I still feel like I'm moving slower now. Literally all because Discord is open. All right, let me take that prompt, copy it somewhere, and close out Discord. All right, I should be better now. Yeah, I think I'm better now. I don't know, it still seems. Oh, well, Replit's running. Okay. All right, let me make a note of that prompt so you don't have to open Discord. Ronan King background prompt. Oh no, I'm gonna freeze. Okay. Damn, it's raining like on my window. I was gonna walk outside for a sec, get a breath of fresh air. Excuse me. All right, I think I'm moving well enough. All right. All right, let's see. What did it do? Your estimate will. All right, well, I already see this needs to be fixed. This needs to be aligned. But, oh, I think that's something I can change in Replit. I think it was Ronan King yesterday who told me to just select this. Like, I need the length, the width of this, and only work in Replit. Oh, I'm freezing. What happened? All Discord. I definitely am still plugged in GPT though. Okay. Around. Cool. In a way, kind of cool. In dark mode, okay. kind of cool. To make this better. Oh shit, this is messed up. This button. Why am I dying? So when this is not full screen, this button gets caught up. Let me look at that. Okay, nothing running in the background. I couldn't imagine that would be causing anything. Shit, I have so much to fix now. This is gonna bother me. All right, let's go into I'm gonna try this. Oh no, I'm freezing. Let there be gaps. People love gaps. I don't like gaps, I don't think. Okay, when I open this full screen, I freeze. And now I'm good, right? Now I'm good. What the F, man? Okay, I still know this section. This is what Ronan King was talking about yesterday. Would that be the length or the width? I guess it would be the width. Well, no, people, I'm thinking math. The length is the longer side, but maybe AI will know what I'm talking about. I need the length of this section to be the same dimensions as your estimate will appear here section that's directly next to it. So that way, when you go into full screen mode, both sections side by side will be the same size. Width is left to right. Ronan King. Well, I don't want to say. Let me fact check myself first, because I'm a math teacher and we usually say the length is just the longer side when we're talking about rectangles. Okay, good. And now this button text gets cut off. The text on this button gets cut off depending on the size of the window that the viewer is using the platform in. So make sure that no matter what the screen size is or what type of device the user is on, that the text doesn't get cut off here. In IT, length and width are both the same. Okay. In IT, length and width are both the same thing. It's just that one shows stretch, the other decides if it's for a specific device. When designing web, view is width left to right, and height is up and down. So width and height or length. Okay, good to know. Good to know. So like, I need to not think about math vocabulary. Think about IT and web design vocabulary. Okay, cool. Damn, if it wasn't for Discord, opening Discord just messed me up. Hi, Eco or Echo. Welcome to the stream. Thank you. It's my 4th day building this. That's okay. I'm glad that you like the idea. Okay, so let's see. Funny how in web space length doesn't really mean it's going to be that long. Uh, yeah, that it is funny. That's why, like, length stems from the word long. So that's why in math we say it's the longer side. Okay, this is good. The button's not up if I change this. Very good. Okay. So like here, that fixed, but if I go full screen, oh, this is fixed now. Well, I guess. For me, that's important. I mean, now there's like dead space here, but now I'm really getting like. Welcome back. Okay, that was fixed. So, Ronan King, I'm glad that you're back. Take a look at it more like in dark mode. You don't really see it so much. I really, really like what's going on here. I like this. It's like a I just can't really see it in light mode. Change everything now because I kind of like the direction. Um, guys, hold on. Let me see. Why is this doing this to me? Hmm. Shit. Hmm. All right. I think it's I should end here. For okay, I know you can't hear me, but I'm gonna take it as a sign to end the stream for today, and I'll talk to you on Discord. And I have to figure this out. I think that Discord, opening Discord, definitely it. I don't know what it did, but I won't do that again. Okay, so yeah. Oh, but Thank you for joining. I know you can't understand anything I'm saying probably, but I just wanted to say bye. And I'll talk to you on Discord. Okay. I'm going to end the stream and I'll finish the rest of this tomorrow because now I'm just getting frustrated. All right, guys. Take care. Have a good day, night, wherever you are in the world. And I'll see you tomorrow.